out here with the XO. There's a couple things that I need to get squared away. Gonna pull this thing out tomorrow, start getting some bars mocked up, hopefully get these sides tied in to the front. But do need get another distributor. I'm pretty sure that one's no good. Got to take these wires off, check those. I do need to go get some brand new spark plugs, and I think I'm missing a bolt for the starter. But other than that, battery, ECU, she's ready to crank up, roll out of here. I've got everything, just got to install it. I know this distributor is not no good. Definitely gonna just switch that out for now with one. I can buy the parts to fix the inside of it. These wires, they look to be pretty good, but who knows? I feel like one of them gave me trouble on the mint hatch. And for that bolt, I know that I got that. And now I got the Holy Grail. I'll show you all a little. That might be too much. You might have to. But we got the bolt. Hopefully get this thing out of here. I could just push it out, but I definitely think I'm gonna fire it up for you guys. I've not did that in a while on here. If you're new here, y'all should definitely smash that subscribe button. Definitely gonna get crazier as we build onto it, but right now I think it's looking pretty dang crazy. Of course, there's a lot still left to do, but little by little, I think we'll get there. Just little by little. But that's what matters. Get out there, just work a little bit towards your dreams every day, little by little. Hopefully you get there. Because hopefully I'll be driving this thing at least this summer. It was supposed to be last summer, and life happens, but we're gonna get this thing knocked out. I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy. I think for the time being, there's a lot of parts that'll be going somewhat towards the XO build, but for the time being, put all these back in to the motor, like so. Get all those put in there nice and neat, like so. But yeah, now I'm gonna put these in here. Probably mount the distributor back on there. I know that this thing's gonna be crazy whenever it's done. Like, it was already feeling like it had at least 200 horsepower. I'm not even joking. So, but I will be adding a lot of weight. We'll see. Hopefully tomorrow we can get some more things knocked out on this, but get up with y'all tomorrow. Alright, did not get a chance to pull this out today, but we are going to get some things done. I had to go do some other work. When you do a million things, it seems like you never get time to do anything really. I am about to grind on these plates, the 4 plates right here, back ones actually. I'm going to do all 6. Get those cleaned up a little bit, spray a little bit of paint on them because they're starting to rust at the edges. Just because I've not had time to get the floor coated yet. I'm one person trying to do all of this stuff, so, and on a budget. But let's get to that. Alright. Got most of those grounded away, about to move the seat. But yeah, we're gonna get things done anyways. Just stay at it, get this thing little by little. Alright, we got the XO out here. Then started getting all the stuff that we needed off of the mint hatch. Got it switched over. Now, finally time to start getting some kind of bar sitting right here over to the front. Try to get that figured out. I did tell y'all though that I would fire it up for y'all, so let's do that right quick. Well, she's being weird. I ain't started in forever. She wants to start and then cut off. It's like it's losing fuel all of a sudden. Trying to think what it could be to make this thing not want to start, because I've never had any problems with this thing. It's really making no sense, and it does not sound good when it turns over. So I do not know what that's about. I'm trying to think, make sure I did not take anything else off of this for another build. Everything seems to be there. I don't know. Get back to y'all here in a minute. I got it to fire up again. You ain't gonna believe it, but I think the real reason for this is it ain't got no gas in it. So, definitely gonna have to go get some gas. Pretty sure that's my reason, because it cranks up, dies, and now it's not wanting to crank up at all. It's turning over faster now with more power, but that's always nice. Let's get some gas. I know that probably sounds stupid to a lot of people, but when I bought this car back, it had about the same amount of gas in it. I don't know if the gas hand don't work anymore. I'm not sure if it's the cluster, but I've been driving it ever since I got it back. Just never really put gas in it, to be honest. I've just been working on it. I've took it down the road and pulled it around the yard a little bit, but that's about it. So, pretty sure it's probably the gas. Well, with that being said, we're going to find something else to work on for now. But I'm not going to let this video end without showing y'all what this thing sounds like for everybody that's new here. She just needed a little bit of gas. I'm just in love with how this thing is looking so far. I just want to leave it alone, but obviously can't have just nothing right here in the front. Gotta have radiator, obviously, and we gotta have at least something to protect the motor. But let's get this thing pulled in. Of course, I pulled a fuse box top off, and this one's just sitting there. Forgot that I had robbed this wire, or the screw for it, so that's nice. Real nice. Alright, now that I know I'm an idiot, and that I forgot that I robbed that screw, that at least makes me feel a little bit better. But that's how my week went, guys. Luckily, we got some things solved. Got some things cleaned up. I'm trying my best to get some of this content pushed out for y'all. I know some of y'all want to see it rip just as bad as I do. But in the next video, gonna start building on the front end. Start getting it tied together. Don't forget, subscribe if you're new here. I'll see y'all in the next one.